Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Barrister and Mann Vespers. This is supposed to be a winter, Christmas scent, whatever. Anyway, it smells good. It's somewhat cologne-y. Like always, I don't know the notes, but it smells good. And it was a limited drop, I believe, anyway. Doesn't matter. Matching splash. And for the brush, I'm going matchy, sorry. My first artisan soap, Grizzly Bay Nebulous Evo. With a Fanchurian 23, I think it is. This is the one that got me into the whole of freaking artisan soaps, brushes. For the razor, I want something easy and smooth. Tatara Amakuni, DLC coated with a Schick P30, which is the same one that I used last time with every AC razor that I have used so far. I don't even know the use that what use it is right now, but anyway, I have about almost 2 days of grows. I didn't shave yesterday. I skipped it. Was very irresponsible. I somewhat loaded. Somewhat loaded on the cadmium. I just load the brush in the bowl. You can still see a bunch of soap that hasn't been worked on. Let's see how it goes. If not, I go to the bowl and load more. Just want to see something. Because usually Badger is my, especially this one. I tend to underload, and the soap is really hard. The Barrister and Mann soap is hard, so they're hard for dry loading. And I don't like to add water to my soaps if I can avoid it. So that's the reason why I prefer to bowl lather. In those cases, but obviously face lathers are very enjoyable and somewhat better to me. I don't want to start a dispute seeing what is better and what is not. As long as you have an enjoyable shave, that's all that matters. You can use whatever method you desire. Looking better. Still a little bit thin. Let me grab it a little bit more. It's not like I'm gonna run out. Look at all the stuff that I haven't worked up. Hope everybody's doing well in this beautiful Tuesday morning. Already past the first worst day of the week. This week is looking soft on the job. I only have mainly one load per day, and then hopefully I wait for fuel, and that's how I make my hours. Because they take a while to make that load. But it's easy. Is this an omnibus? To be honest, I don't know if it is omnibus or veggie. Yeah, get in there. Let's see how it feels. Looks good. Very thin, but it looks good. Let's see how it goes. Freaking Amakuni. Look at that. It's the same, but it's looking shiny. Shiny. Yeah, a little bit dry. Oh, this side is better. This side is drier, huh? Interesting. But it was smooth. Regardless, it was really smooth. That could be the help of the razor, since it's so freaking Tataras are smooth. But it was a good pass. This is gonna trigger Chris a lot. Like, what the heck are you doing? That's such a thin and dry pasty. I'm just having fun, Chris. I'm just having fun. Oh yeah, look at pasty. Some more water. Let's see how this one feels. Should be fine. Yeah, wow, very sick now. Very slick. No nicks that I can see so far. So far, it has been great. Yeah, it has slickness now. Very nice. Very nice. Paper thin lather. Man, the train is on fire. Ah, yeah, very slick. Yeah. It looks terrible, dude, but my God, it's slick. Couple of nicks there, nothing serious. Nothing serious. Go for the final pound, the final pass. I was gonna say the final pound down. My brain's still not working. It's like 3:20 in the morning, something like that. Oh, my brain's still down. Most of the time it's down though. Oh yeah. It's even dripping. Yeah, I didn't cut the bump. It's funny how I buffed the heck out of my neck, but I need myself up here. It doesn't make sense. It would make sense if I'm bleeding on the lower neck, but no. Here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I should have gotten everything or most of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can hear nothing. Huh? There was an angle here that picked up something. Yeah. That was a pretty good shape. Yeah. Even with the thin lather, it's super slick, very glidey. On the first pass, I noticed one side more drier for some reason. but you did a great job. Did a great job. Let's see if this one comes back on Christmas or winter. I know it. I'm gonna nick my mustache, you know. Every time I freaking chase the VBS over there. But anyway, time for the burn. I think I get some citrus or something, but anyway, I'll put the scent notes on the description if I find them. It was a good shave, just what I needed. Just what I needed. Only waiting for Voodoo Yeti to come here, but it's still in Texas, unfortunately. But anyway, that was a great shave. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I don't know, I pick whatever and shave with it. Simple as that. Keep it simple. I have to use a lot of my stuff, so I have way too many, especially on brushes. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great Tuesday. Enjoy your day. See you on the next shave. Have a good one.